Just another day in paradise. Brought to you by the cutest groundskeepers in New Zealand. These sheep aren't just lawn ornaments. They're living, breathing symbols of tranquility. Rolling hills, contented sheep, and endless green, this is my happy place. I am feeling incredibly grateful for moments like these. Surrounded by nature's simple beauty. Seriously, could there be a more idyllic scene? These fluffy friends are making the most of Auckland's lush landscapes. Thank you for watching.